Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use Sound Recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, and if you don't have this Samsung Voice Recorder already installed, you have to download this one from this developer. Now open it. Click while using the app, choose Allow, and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same one, and if you want to save your recording and end it, click on the square one over here. Now enter name of your recording, tap on save, and as you can see, mine was successfully created. You can always delete it by holding it, tapping on this bin icon at the bottom left corner and choosing move to trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!